Hello, Saeed. You copy? Kate in the mobile. Charlie Echo 01, mobile station.
One moment, Kate, one moment. I'm going to lunchtime, you know. A lot of people call me all the time. Ok, Kate, one moment. Ok, Hervé, attends, je vais récupérer... alors, c'est 14 Delta Alpha, vas-y.
Awesome.
14 Delta Alpha 044. Delta Alpha, c'est un groupe, ça, non? Ah, Darren, hein, sur l'Australie, ouais, super. Hein. Ouais, tu arrives 55-56, je sais pas comment tu me reçois. Bah, merci Hervé. Allez, là, je réponds à Kate qui est là en mobile, qui fait des essais depuis l'Angleterre, hein, et après je m'en vais. Hey Kate, short hello Kate. 73, how you doing Kate? Your mobile station, and I listen you in French Guyana, Kate. QSL over?
Yeah, thanks so much, Saeed, for coming back to the call. Your peak signal report is a 5 and 9, a peak in a 5 and 9, and I'm in the mobile station. Back to you.
Oh yeah, okay, station, mobile station, Kate. You're making 5 cheap, huh? You're not 5 and 9, but you're 5 and 6, 5 and 7. Wow. QSL, Kate, over?
Wow, that is absolutely amazing, and I just thought I'd just say hello and thank you so much for coming back to me.
Okay, Kate, big kisses. Thank you very much. You're having also the kisses from the papagayo and the monkey and the jungle and the trees in the front of my house, and say hello to you and give you also kisses. Okay, Kate, carry on, and cheese and beer, and thank you for call. Bye-bye, Kate. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much, Saeed in the jungle. What an awesome contact, and I'll catch you again. All the very best.
Yeah, Kate, give me only the number is 001, is correct?
No, it's just 10, so Charlie Echo 01. Charlie Echo 01, back to you.
Okay, Charlie Echo 01 mobile. Okay, Kate, thank you very much. I spotted the contact to SIRIO and 570, and your report is 5 and 7 in French Guyana. Bye-bye, cheers, good afternoon.
Thanks so much, Saeed in the jungle. All the very best. Excellent.
Ah, les gars, je reviens hein, parce que je vais aller manger. On m'a déjà appelé plusieurs fois. 73, j'entends beaucoup de monde. Hein. 73 à vous, la propagation elle est bonne. Je reviendrai d'ici une demi-heure. Je suppose que la propagation va remonter. Voilà, tout à l'heure les copains. Hein.
Yeah, I got you. It's Charlie Echo 01. Charlie Echo 01 in the mobile. Back to you.
Okay, my friend, station 3 Papa Alpha Tango 380. 3 Papa Alpha Tango 380. My name is Operator Neto. November Echo Tango Oscar. Okay, my friend, 5 by 5, 5 by 3. Okay, repeat call, repeat what's your name?
Yeah, I got you there, Neto. It's Charlie Echo 01, and I'm in the mobile. Operator Kate.
Okay, Kate. Sorting Coaster X, confirmação, contato. Sorting Coaster X, contato, ok? 5 by 3, muito SB frequência, ok? Muito SB frequência, my friend, ok? Number 0. My name is Neto, okay, my friend?
Yeah, I got you, Neto. That is awesome. To get into Brazil from my mobile station, and I'm in the southeast of England, Canterbury, England. Back to you.
Okay, my friend, no propagation Brazil, okay?
Muito baixo propagação Brasil, muito baixo propagação Brasil aqui. Tri Papa Alpha Tango 380, Papa Alpha Tango 380, Neto, ok? 73 jet, confirmação em esporte, X, ok?
Yeah, thanks so much, Neto. And that is such an awesome contact from the mobile station. I wish you 73s and good DX. All the very best. Awesome.